What if your next flight had no pilot? No one in the cockpit. Just AI flying the plane. It sounds terrifying, but it's closer than you think. So here's the big question. Are pilots about to be replaced? Pilots do more than fly planes. They handle navigation, communication, safety checks, and emergency decisions. Flying isn't just technical. It's about judgment under pressure. Would you board a plane with no human pilot? AI is already a big part of aviation. Modern aircraft from companies like Boeing and Airbus rely heavily on autopilot systems. In fact, most of a flight is already handled by automation. During long flights, autopilot systems control altitude, direction, and speed. Pilots often monitor rather than manually fly. If AI already flies most of the journey, do we still need pilots? AI has powerful advantages. It can process data instantly, reduce human error, and operate with precision. It doesn't get tired or distracted, but AI has limitations. It struggles with unexpected situations, like sudden weather changes or technical failures. These moments require human judgment. In real emergencies, human pilots have saved lives by making quick decisions. These situations are unpredictable and not always programmable. Can AI handle a life or death decision in seconds? Pilots bring experience, intuition, and situational awareness. They can adapt, improvise, and stay calm under pressure. They don't just follow systems, they lead them. The future isn't AI replacing pilots, it's evolution. We may see fewer pilots in the cockpit, with AI handling more tasks. But human oversight will remain critical. So what do you think? Will planes ever fly without pilots? AI can fly planes, but it can't replace human judgment yet. Aviation is about safety and trust. So the real question is, will pilots adapt or be replaced? Watch out for our exciting episode on 5 AI skill that pilot must acquire in 2026 to shock-proof their career against AI. This is Infinity AI TV. Infinite stories, infinite imagination. Subscribe for more news.